zip tie right there.
Jimmy hooked it up with the new push rods. Got a new gasket. I'm hoping that works with the EC side cover. It looks like the lifter seams are alright. I'm going to take the side cover off the motor and we'll see. Ultra slick. Just a dab of it. You don't want to use a lot of that stuff. It'll clog your dipper up, but let's see how it goes. so that it doesn't stick. Check piston to valve clearance. This isn't really recommended, but it's what I'm using. If you got enough oil on the piston, it won't really stick. But if it does, I'm going to clean it off with the freaking brake cleaner, whatever you want to use, car cleaner. Got the multi-layer gasket. I got 2 gaskets because you don't want to just compress one. You want to use both, so then when you do your final one, it's not going to compress before. But I don't fully torque the bolts when I'm doing this either. But it's however you want to do it. It works for me. Legs will be good.
One step ahead, but when you think like that so much, you miss the moment. And I've done that going into fights because I'm thinking about the fight, I'm thinking about the weight, I'm thinking about.
Really need another bolt in there, but
it'll weird because you're
torque the flywheel.
I've heard it oftentimes, sitting next to Brett Okamoto, and you hit him with a body shot. It sounded like somebody hit the dead carcass. But look, that's the best way to set up.
Super light.
I know you have tremendous coaches. You gave a shout out to Jimmy Gifford there when they say, was that a big point of emphasis?
I'll lap my flywheel every time I take it on and off.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, I feel like I'm on the opposite side of the spectrum.
Getting there. Bakersfield, California. He's a cool guy. Mini bike racer from out there. He claims he never lost a race. Put my little mock-up 224 on there. Got my sticker on there. Check those out. Oh, yeah. If anybody wants a sticker too, I'll be at the Daryl Starbird show in Oklahoma. I'll post that flyer up for everyone so they can know. And I got this bike for sale. I might bring it if I don't sell it. I'm gonna bring both bikes. I've got a Tillison that I'm gonna try to build for this bike. And I'm testing out a new cam combo for a high flowing head. Pretty soon this will be a little bit different combo, and I'm going to save this motor that's on it. Just put this together. It's got too much clutch. It's just a stock motor. I'll put the Go Power Sports drag race pipe on it. That's a really nice pipe. A lot of people don't know about. You should go check it out at gopowersports.com. It's a very high-flowing pipe, and what I like about it is on the inlet here where it's really thick, number one, the flange or whatever. Number two, it's not ported in there. The F&Bs are like are wide open port on it, which I don't really like it because you really need to have some meat in there to where that you can port match it to your exhaust port. I feel like it kind of helps with velocity and all that's crazy nonsense that's really I don't understand, but I do. It's got a little bit bigger of a carburetor than it needs, but I was just gonna see what happens. I put 26-pound springs in it. which probably was stupid. I just want to see how many mile per hour I can get out of it with the little 53 tooth and a 12 or a 13 on the front, but I might go to a 15 and try the California ratio. But yeah, it's a GTS frame. Let's see there. It's a cool frame. Got the little 6-inch wheels compared to this big monster 18-inch 8 by 18, 8 by 8 by 18, and then these are 13. Just to show you a little bit of the difference. Let's see. This bike like this, if I had to guess, it'd probably run like 45 or 50, maybe faster, who knows. I'm so light. But it's got a big giant 85 tooth. It allows this to run like a junior dragster type ratio. So I'm really curious on what kind of ratio these little wheels will prefer. I'm gonna try a huge lift cam with a lot of duration, something that's a little bit different than that. I've got a lot of duration in that camshaft, but not as much lift. I'm gonna try to get away with not running as much rocker arm angle and see if maybe I can take some friction out of the valve train. A lot of people don't understand that either. It's something I really don't understand, but I'm kind of learning and I'm kind of guessing at the same time, just to see what happens. You never know. But this is just the start. But yeah, come hang out the February, I think 17th weekend of the 17th and 18th and 19th, I think. It's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but Rockin' Billy Bash. It's really cool. Y'all gotta check it out. Some Rat Fink cars and all kinds of cool stuff, but yeah.
Fire 'em up. It's